Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check PayPal limits. First, open the PayPal app and log into your account. Tap Wallet at the bottom right of your screen. If you've linked a debit or credit card, tap on it to view your spending and withdrawal limits. If you haven't linked a card, go to the Help and Support section and search limits to find more information. Quick facts: PayPal debit card, $3,000 daily spending limit. ATM withdrawals, $400 daily. Unverified accounts, up to $4,000. Verified accounts, up to $60,000. And that's it. That's how to check your PayPal limits. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.